Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Revolut Standard account. Revolut is a popular digital banking app that offers a range of features and benefits to its users. In this guide, we will cover the key concepts and practical examples to help you get the most out of your Revolut Standard account. Firstly, it is essential to understand the features of a Revolut Standard account. This account type offers real-time exchange rates, fee-free spending abroad, and the ability to spend and exchange money in over 100 currencies. You can also top up your account using a debit or credit card, bank transfer, or other payment methods. To get started with your Revolut Standard account, you need to download the Revolut app and sign up for an account. The sign-up process is straightforward and requires basic personal and identification information. Once your account is approved, you can order a physical card or use the virtual card for online transactions. One of the most significant benefits of a Revolut Standard account is the ability to send and receive money globally. You can send money to friends and family using the app, and the recipient can receive the funds in their local currency. You can also use the app to receive money from abroad, with the funds being exchanged to your local currency at the real-time exchange rate. Another key feature of the Revolut Standard account is the budgeting and tracking tools. The app allows you to set budgets for different categories, such as food, transport, and entertainment, and track your spending in real time. You can also use the app to view your transaction history and download statements for your records. In addition to these features, the Revolut Standard account also offers security and protection for your funds. The app uses two-factor authentication and encryption to protect your account and transactions. You can also use the app to freeze and unfreeze your card if it is lost or stolen, and contact the Revolut support team if you have any issues. To get the most out of your Revolut Standard account, it is essential to use the app regularly and take advantage of the features and benefits on offer. You can use the app to manage your finances, send and receive money, and track your spending. By following these tips and best practices, you can make the most of your Revolut Standard account and enjoy the benefits of digital banking. In conclusion, the Revolut Standard account is a powerful tool for managing your finances and sending and receiving money globally. By understanding the features and benefits of the account, and using the app regularly, you can get the most out of your Revolut Standard account and enjoy the convenience and flexibility of digital banking.